Number 1.
1999 Dodge Dakota, price $4,500, with 225,000 miles and an automatic transmission. It comes in a burgundy exterior with a gray interior and runs on gasoline. The truck is equipped with the highly regarded 5.9L 360 Magnum engine. The vehicle has recently had its transmission rebuilt and is reported to shift smoothly, and the oil has just been changed. It features practical elements such as crank windows, rubber flooring, a bedliner, a tow package, and a trailer brake controller, making it well suited for towing and work-related tasks. As a 2WD truck, it offers a towing capacity rated at up to 9,900 pounds. Structurally, the truck is in very good condition with no rust on the frame or cab, indicating strong overall integrity. While there are some cosmetic imperfections, including a cracked dashboard, chipping clear coat on the hood, and a 15-inch crack on the passenger side of the windshield, these do not affect its performance.
Number 2.
1983 Ford F-150, price $9,000, that has been driven 134,000 miles and is equipped with an automatic transmission. It features a distinctive blue exterior paired with a matching blue interior, giving it a cohesive and vintage look, and it runs on gasoline. Overall, the truck is in very clean condition and continues to run well, reflecting careful ownership over the years. There are only minor cosmetic flaws, including a couple of small rust spots above the rear passenger wheel and below the driver's door, as well as some UV-related aging on the door panels. Despite these small imperfections, the vehicle remains in solid shape and stands out as a reliable and appealing option for collectors or anyone interested in a classic American pickup.
Number 3.
2000 Chevrolet 1500, price $9,900, that has been driven 182,000 miles and comes with an automatic transmission. It features a clean tan exterior matched with a tan interior, giving it a classic and consistent look. Powered by gasoline, this extended cab model provides extra interior space, making it more practical and comfortable for both passengers and cargo. In terms of features, the vehicle is equipped with a functioning radio and a cold air conditioning system that enhances comfort during daily use.
All window controls are fully operational, showing that the interior components have been well maintained.
It also comes with a spare tire, adding an extra layer of convenience and preparedness for the road. Known for being easy to work on, long-lasting, and simple in design, this truck offers a practical ownership experience without unnecessary complexity. Overall, the Chevrolet 1500 is an excellent choice for a variety of needs.
Number 4.
2000 Dodge Dakota, price $7,999. It has been driven for 136,000 miles and is equipped with a manual transmission. The truck features a gold exterior paired with a black interior, offering a classic and durable appearance. Under the hood, it is powered by a 4.7L V8 engine that produces 235 horsepower and 295 lb-ft of torque, delivering strong and reliable performance. In addition to its performance capabilities, the vehicle comes well equipped with factory features including power windows and door locks, air conditioning, cruise control, tilt steering, and a center console for added convenience.
The entertainment system includes an AM/FM stereo with CD and cassette functionality.
Safety is also addressed with dual front airbags and anti-lock braking system, ABS. Despite its power, the truck maintains reasonable fuel efficiency, rated at approximately 13 miles per gallon in the city and 17 miles per gallon on the highway. Overall, this Dodge Dakota offers a balanced combination of performance, comfort, and practicality.
Number 5.
1996 Ford F-250, price $6,800, with only 131,000 miles on the odometer, which is considered relatively low for a truck of its age. This vehicle is equipped with a reliable automatic transmission and powered by a robust 7.5L 460 gasoline engine, known for its strong performance and towing capability. It features an attractive blue exterior complemented by a clean and well-kept gray interior, reflecting the care it has received over the years. The truck runs and drives great, showing no signs of rust at all. In addition, the truck comes with a gooseneck hitch already installed, making it fully ready for towing heavy loads, and it is fitted with new tires, adding to its road readiness and value. The only minor issue reported is that the fuel gauge for the front tank is not functioning properly. Aside from that, the vehicle is in solid working condition.
Number 6.
2001 Dodge Dakota, price $5,500, is a well-maintained 4x4 pickup equipped with a rare 5-speed manual transmission, offering a more engaging driving experience and solid performance from its 4.7L V8 engine. With 159,000 miles on the odometer, it still delivers strong power while maintaining an average fuel economy of around 19.5 miles per gallon on gasoline. The truck features a burgundy exterior paired with a clean gray interior, which has been kept in great condition. All essential functions, including the air conditioning, heating system, radio, and power windows, are working properly. Recent maintenance includes the replacement of the steering rack bushings, power steering pump, power steering return line, and serpentine belt, along with a fully serviced rear differential, ensuring improved reliability and drivability. As expected for a vehicle of its age, it shows some typical early 2000s Dodge clear coat wear on areas such as the roof, driver's fender, tailgate, and passenger rear door. Additionally, there is an exhaust leak on the driver's side manifold that may need attention.
Number 7.
1989 Chevrolet 1500, price $4,950, has been driven approximately 200,000 miles and comes equipped with a manual transmission paired with a gasoline-powered, carbureted 400 small block engine in a 2WD configuration. The exterior is finished in white, complemented by a black interior, giving it a timeless and simple look. This truck has received several updates, including a 5-speed manual transmission, new tinted headlights and taillights, 14-inch knockoff wire wheels, and a cowl induction hood that enhances both its appearance and performance feel. Despite its mileage, the body remains very straight with no dents or rust, reflecting careful ownership. It runs well, holds a clean title, and stands out as a reliable, stylish classic suitable for everyday driving.
Number 8.
1998 Nissan Frontier, price $3,999, presented as a reliable and practical vehicle, suitable for both daily commuting and work purposes. With 237,140 miles on the odometer, it has proven its durability over time and continues to run strong and dependable. The truck features a blue exterior paired with a gray interior, giving it a clean and classic look. It runs on gasoline and is known for being economical to maintain. Equipped with a fuel-efficient 2.0L 4-cylinder engine, this Frontier offers great gas savings while still delivering solid performance. It comes with a 5-speed manual transmission and rear-wheel drive, making it simple and reliable for everyday use.
As a regular cab model, it comfortably seats up to 3 passengers.
The vehicle also stands out with a fresh bright blue pearl paint job and brand new tires, adding both style and readiness for the road. Overall, this truck is described as a great commuter vehicle and a solid work rig, ideal for anyone looking for a dependable, low-maintenance pickup.
Number 9.
1996 Chevrolet 1500, price $3,300, that has accumulated 212,097 miles and remains a dependable and solid-running vehicle. It is equipped with a manual transmission and a 4-wheel drive system, making it suitable for a variety of driving conditions, including rough or uneven terrain. The truck runs on gasoline and features a silver exterior complemented by a denim-colored interior, giving it a classic and rugged appearance. Most of its components are in good working condition, reflecting proper use over the years. While the truck performs well overall, the only known issue is a minor leak in the power steering system. Aside from this, everything else functions as expected, making it a practical choice for someone looking for a durable and capable pickup truck.
Number 10.
1990 GMC 1500, price $5,900. It has been driven approximately 115,000 miles and is equipped with an automatic transmission. It features a gold exterior paired with a brown interior and runs on gasoline. The truck is powered by a 5.7L V8 engine, offering solid performance and towing capability, and comes ready with a hitch and trailer brakes installed. The vehicle includes several appealing features such as a custom corduroy interior, power windows, power locks, an AM/FM radio, and rear seating. It also benefits from a recent transmission service, an engine oil cooler, and a toolbox mounted in the bed. The tires are in good condition, and the dashboard remains free of cracks, adding to its overall usability and value. However, there are a few cosmetic drawbacks to note. The passenger side has a fairly large scrape, with some peeling clear coat around the affected area. Additionally, there is a small tear on the side of the driver's seat.